YouTube, I'm back again.
Okay, so we're getting ready to try the slime factory again.
Cause last time it was a failure.
It was. Okay, so now we need to get
It was nothing but a little piece of blob, YouTube. If you haven't seen it, go check it out again.
All right, so we need water. You see this little line here? Go put water in there. Yeah, go.
Oh, I see it now.
Yeah, well, Levi, I gotta go get some water. You gonna go get some too? Go get some water. Thank you. So London and Levi are going to get the water so we can attempt to do this some slime again. Last time it was just a really big glob. So we're gonna try it again. It's okay. You can give it back to her. Give it back to her. Here. I'm gonna pour some in here, London. I'm gonna pour you some water in here.
I did it all the way.
Maybe,
Oh, it's right there.
but you know we're supposed to put the powder in first. But it's okay.
That's what I
It's
told
okay.
you.
We're gonna just pour it in there and see if it works.
But it won't work.
We're gonna do it fast. We'll have to store it.
Do we? Are you gonna do another video?
Okay.
Right now?
No, yeah, we're gonna pour it in there fast. I'm gonna put the spinner on.
But we have to do the powder. What if it don't work?
It's gonna work.
No, it's not.
It's gonna work.
Do you want some glitter in it?
Do you?
Do you? Yeah, because I picked last time, so do you?
No. We'll put that in last. We'll put it in later. We can just mix it.
Okay, YouTube. Here's my mom.
Okay, excuse me, London. Come on, London, look. Where's your cup? Got your cup?
This might be a quick video.
Okay.
We don't know.
Thank you, London. All right, get your cup up. Here, London. Go stir it up. Stir it up. Stir.
Ouch, ouch, ouch.
Okay, Levi, give me the mixer. Give me the mixer.
What a mix.
In your hand.
I'm gonna do
We're
it.
going to do it fast as soon as it hits. Wait, London.
Stop, London. Want me to have London YouTube is not gonna be a failure this time, I think.
London, you need to stir it.
Mom, do it fast, Mom.